Welcome to the channel. Let's start. This is a table. And this is what a generic table looks like. It contains customer details, such as their names, ages, and addresses. Notice that all three pieces of information for one customer are in a row. Rows are called tuples, and columns are called attributes. Think of this table as your personal database. It has data in it, so it's a base for your data, a home for your data. Now, let's say you add another table to your database, maybe a table for all female customers. Later, you add yet another table, this time for storing information about parts. Did you notice how the size of the database increased? You can rewind a bit and play it again if needed. Let's understand this with an example. Imagine you start an online bookselling business. In the beginning, you have few customers, so one table in Excel or a spreadsheet is enough for your data. As your business grows, so does your data. Your business is doing really well, and the number of tables reflects that. But notice something here. Initially, it was easy to search for any customers or orders details in your tables. However, with thousands of tables, it becomes complicated and time-consuming. This is where you might think, there should be software or a system to manage all these tables for me. Well, there is such software that can manage large numbers of tables or data. This system is called a database management system, DBMS. It's not just an ordinary piece of software. It's much more powerful in its domain. You might ask, powerful? How? Well, you need a separate language to interact with this software. To interact with the database, you learn a programming language. Since we are dealing with databases, it's called a database management language. It's called MySQL, pronounced as MySQL. Here's what happens. You have a lot of tables in your database. With this system in place, you can retrieve old data or enter new data into your database by following these steps. First, you enter a command in the DBMS in SQL language. Second, the DBMS understands that command and determines how to fulfill it. It checks all your data in the database. Third, the database returns the data requested by the DBMS. Fourth, the DBMS presents the requested data or information to you in a sophisticated manner. Now you know the differences between MySQL, a database, and a database management system.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.